guys, so today is our 5th day dito sa Coron and we're gonna have our island hopping. Finally, hindi na-cancel na yung mga tours kasi ng mga nagdaang araw, sobrang lakas ng ulan, di maganda yung panahon, kaya yung mga tours na-cancel. So today, tinawagan ko yung tour provider namin and sabi naman nila, hindi naman daw cancel yung island tour. So, gumayak kami. Yan na. Naka-rush guard na. Kasi ayaw mangitim. So, balot kami ngayon. And, akyat muna ulit kami sa restaurant para mag-breakfast. Para may laman ng tiyan. Para hindi kami gutumin during the tour. Yan. Makulimlim pa yung araw, guys. Makulimlim ang panahon. Pero tuloy na ang mga island hopping. Wala pa din yung mga kasama namin. Yan sila, mami. Mga kasama namin mukhang naggagayak pa. Sumuon na kami ulit kumain. Babe, that pinagayak mo na rin yung food nila eh. Guys, ito na yung food namin. We have garlic rice, chicken fingers, omelette, bangus lamayo, hot cake, pancake, cereals again with milk, coffee. So, meron din, ngayon halos yun din ang same lang kaming order. Si Mami Bear. Good morning, guys.
May live. Kala ko nasa live ako.
Kain na tayo.
So, for today's video, today is
Our 5th day dito
our
sa
5th day dito sa
Coron.
Coron, Palawan.
And this is our last day.
Last day na namin.
Ngayon pa lang kami
Ngayon
mag-island
pa lang kayo
hopping.
mag-island hopping pa uwi na.
Ay,
So, ito yung aming breakfast. For today, bangus lamayo. Tapos, omelette. And, ano ba tawag nyo din sa bread na to?
French toast.
toast. Yan,
Ano,
meron
ako ng
tayong
ketchup
cucumber and tomato,
Maghanap ng
fried
ketchup yung
rice.
pagkain.
And tapos ko na kainin yung aking
Thank you po.
cereals. And I have coffee here. Yan, sila
Hindi akong
naman.
ketchup.
Pancake. Yan.
Kahapon mo ng
May
suka,
suka
ngayon
na
meron
kami
na.
ngayon. Kay ate. Danggit yan?
Bangus. Chicken fingers.
Bangus tsaka chicken finger? Pwede pala yan. Pwede ba magpadagdag ng chicken finger?
Good morning, guys. Finally ay nandito na kami sa susundo sa amin na van. Van pala, kala ko ano. Ano yun, nakala ko trike. Tuk-tuk. Ano ba tawag nila? So, we availed our travel, itong island hopping namin sa Klook.
Na
Sa
natuloy din
Ellen.
sa wakas.
Na natuloy din sa wakas dahil ilang ano na kami hindi nakakapag-island. So finally, mag-island hopping na kami kahit tumuulan lang nagawa si Mama. Dikit na dikit sa harap niya. Finally here.
First page po, and same thing din po sa first page. Second page also. So,
Here.
yeah, and second page as well. And so our main attraction here is the viewpoint and the lake as well. So this one is not good for snorkeling, but it's good for swimming. Okay, so after this one po, Barracuda Lake. So this one is good for snorkeling because it has a beautiful rock formation po under the water.
Saan yung yung alam ko ba, before yung merong ilalim na ship na doon? Ano ba yun?
Shipwreck.
Yung shipwreck.
Shipwreck po, mga hapon na po natin na ano. Then after Barracuda Lake po, so to relax po, we still have to visit CYC Beach. So we're just here to relax, swimming and sunbathing po if may araw. Okay? And then after CYC Beach, we have our lunch area at Bayan Beach. So we're just only here to eat lang po. Okay, so after this, Bayan Beach, so we still have 3 more stops. So two of this is good for snorkeling, skeleton shipwreck, and also the corals. And lastly po yung Twin Lagoon. So this one po is good for, actually meant for kayaking talaga siya because of its romantic limestone cliff po inside.
May mararentahan doon ng kayak?
Dito lang po ma'am. So, on the island po, there's no rental shop just only here.
So, how ba, paano kami magkakayak doon kung hindi kami nakapag-rent ng ano?
Swimming po ma'am, pero yung ano kasi medyo malayo talaga. It's a bit far po from the first lagoon going to
Hindi,
the
I mean, kung mag-rent nga kami, how?
Dito po ma'am.
Sa inyo?
Yes po.
How much?
So, kaya about kayak po, so we have two kinds of kayak here, the clear one and the colored kayak po. So, the clear one po can accommodate 3 person. So, the cost po is 1,500 po. So, again po, it's a bit expensive because we need to decide it here now po. We need to bring the kayak the whole day po. So, yeah. And then, colored kayak po, so we have parang 3 kinds of colored kayak also, 1-seater, 2-seater, and 3-seater po. So, yung 1-seater it costs 1,000, 2-seater is 1,200, and then yung 3-seater is 1,500.
Wala bang bawas yan, kuya?
Ma'am, yan na po yung fixed price nila.
Kasi nakatawad kami noon eh. 1 lang yung tatluhan. Bigay mo na. Alanganin lang kami sa oras. Sige na, tawad na. Patawarin mo na kami, kuya.
Sige, ma'am.
Oo, 1,000 yung dalawa, 1,200 yung ano eh. Tatluhan.
Yung 3-seater. Ilan po yung kukunin nyo, ma'am? Ask ko na lang po yung
Tag-isa kami.
3-seater.
Are you gonna rent a kayak?
Canoe.
Kano? Boat. No. Kasi kung di rin tayo mag-rent, wala tayo, mahirapan din tayo dun eh. Kaya mo yan, Ming. Ah. Let's go! Ouch! Busog na kami. Bakit?
Baka biglang may ganun eh. Tuloy natin test pa.
Hindi, kuya.
Yes!
Hindi marunong maglangoy.
Yes, nakabalik na raw.
Oh, good luck lang. Pag di kaya, di hindi.
Marunong ako mag-float.
Kaso malaki yung alam. Ay, yung...
Ay, wala na.
O, eh, dito lang tayo sa baba ng bangka.
Tingnan natin. Kasi
Pero maganda dun sa kayangan kasi nga. Close ano. Pero pag high tide, di ka makakalusot dun sa ilalim.
Ay, di
Tatawid.
ba yan yung gaganyang?
Marunong ka maglangoy, babe?
Di masyado.
Eh, di sa bangka lang tayo.
Hindi, may best naman.
Oo, may best na nagawa ko ng face.
Kaso matanggal yung tubig.
Akyat muna kami, guys.
You here po in Coron. Sino po yung first time? Who is first time here po? So everyone, first time here. You too?
No.
Second.
You too.
said
Second
is-
time. Me too, first time. Okay, so first of all, before we start, so let me introduce ourselves. Anyway, my name is Sky.
Okay.
Just Sky, it's not Sky. Sky and my partner
Joshua.
Joshua. And our boat captain Isidro. Sorry. Okay. Isidro, and then we have 2 boat crew, which is Romeo and Richard. Or Romeo and Juliet. Juliet. Okay, so now we're going to Coron Island. Okay, and then the name of your tour is Super Ultimate Tour. Am I right? Okay, no one can going to Tour A, right? All of you here is going to Super Ultimate. Okay, so make sure. Okay, habang nandito pa tayo. Okay, and then we have 7 stop. 7. Okay, which is Kayangan, Barracuda, Twin Lagoon, CYC Beach, Calcutta Shipwreck, Coral Garden, and then Atwayan Beach. So total 7. Okay, and then each island po is different activity po. Meron po tayong hike, so everyone can hike naman po, physically fit. Yes,
Pag-iisipan
because
ko yan.
we will climb po 367 steps.
You be water,
163
okay?
up and then 204 down.
Oh, why did you buy slippers if you're not
Yeah.
gonna go? Yeah. The senior citizen can stay here.
Oh, nakakuha na ba kayo naka-rehearse? Okay, twice po yun ha, twice. Same way po when we go back.
Is it difficult to descend?
Yeah, for the...
Is it too slippery?
Not really slippery.
Oh, very good, Kuya.
Good. Yeah, but the step is uneven po.
Okay.
Di siya pantay. Yeah, there's a small and then high steps.
It's okay, but the problem is no camera na. I can climb, but no camera anymore.
No climbing.
And then, who is the good swimmers here po? Good swimmers.
Not too much.
Good enough.
Yan.
Ang yaso. Good enough lang, good
So
enough.
you have to be aware that all of us is not at all good swimmers.
Without the life jacket. Also, yes, that's the most important things because so that's why I'm asking if who is the good swimmers here because our three highlights po, which is Kayangan, Barracuda, and then Tweed Lagoon, life jacket is mandatory. Even how good as you po to swim. Yeah, that's required po nila.
Okay.
Okay, Kayangan muna tayo eh. Kayangan. Okay, so first we are going to Kayangan. So that's the one we we're going to hike. Like what I said earlier, 367 steps. And then the halfway, there is a view deck. So you can see our iconic background when you get on the view deck. So
You bring
first,
cellphone, I keep mine. You
Yes.
share album.
also you bring po encyclopedia. Or yeah. Encyclopedia sir, meron kayo? Wala kayo wala? Okay. Kasi yes, so far po daming lamok. Yung mga masasarap yung kinakagat nila.
Kasi yung isa dyan nag-iingat sa mga
Wala masarap.
Mi, yung legs mo.
Medyo na tayo masarap.
Bisaya ka ma'am? Hindi. Walang Bisaya dito.
Wala lang, kabalo lang.
Kabalo lang. Same. Okay, so that's the island we will go po. That's the Coron Island. And for your information, that's the real Coron, not this one.
No.
Okay? No. Kuwan lang siya sir. Renovation. So that's the real Coron. So that's why real Coron moved here in Busuanga Island because the whole island was made of limestone po.
Oh.
So that's why 1902 Coron transfer here in Busuanga Island. So that's why this island
It's not livable there.
no, because 80% limestone.
Okay.
So it's not capable build a city po. So naghanap sila ng flat na area. So that's why this island dito divided by two. So we have two municipalities in one island. Busuanga and then Coron. Okay?
Okay.
And then all of that island is our indigenous people. We are called
Oh.
Tagbanwa. Yes. So they all know that island. And then Tagbanwa tribe here has two villages. The other side of that island. Yeah, we are called Barangay Kabugaw and then Barangay Banwantaan. So mostly of them we live on that island. Okay, so any information po na gusto nyo malaman, so you let me know po. You can ask Joshua or me po for other information about Coron. Okay, so that's for now, and then the other information we will provide later if we get the island po.
Okay.
So that's for now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy to our trip. Okay,
Thank
but
you.
I forgot. But first of all, because we as one here, so I'm the father, is the mother. Okay, so you are always listen to your father and mother. Okay, so first, so I'm going to let you know po. Okay, see your name, where you're from, and then your talent.
Ay.
Wow, very good. Talent.
Oh, of course you go first.
Yes, I'm Kai. I came from Korea,
Oh, 안녕하세요.
Coron area.
Ha?
Coron area lang po. Okay, so first mag-start ako kay sir.
I'm gone from QC. Talent ko. Wala.
Wala.
Mayaw lang.
Tulong ka, sayaw. Sayaw din. Talent din ka eh. Okay, ma'am.
Pod.
Pod.
From Bulacan.
Oh,
Talent po.
Marilao po.
magkakapit bahay lang tayo.
Talent, ma'am.
Kumain.
Kumain. Good talent.
Same.
Team QC.
QC. Talent, sir.
Wala eh.
Wala.
Kumain na.
Kumain na kayo, ma'am.
Medicar from Bulacan.
Talent ko.
Wow, sample! Sample! Sample!
Okay na yung araw eh.
Paul.
Paul.
Sleeping.
From, sir.
Bulacan.
Bulacan to you, sir.
From China.
China. Name.
Michael and Charles.
Jeff.
Charles.
Charles!
Charles.
Talent.
Huh?
Talent.
Thailand.
Yeah.
Traveling.
Kayo, ma'am.
Bulacan.
And talent po.
Eating.
Oh, eating.
Randall, Pampanga.
Pampanga talent, sir.
Eating.
From Bulacan.
Talent po.
Eko, from Isabela.
Talent, sir.
None.
Nan? Iko, sir. Iko.
Eko.
Iko. Jericho Rosales. Jessa from
Baguio.
Baguio. Talent, ma'am.
Dancing.
Singing and dancing, no?
Entertainer.
Sarah Geronimo. Tingnan.
Okay.
Okay, so I hope you memorize all of the names po. Okay, so everyone memorize all of their name po. Anyone? No? No? Okay, me too. Yeah, I'm just calling you mom and sir only. Okay, so Joshua, if you have, add.
Closing remark.
Yeah. Okay. Ikaw na? Okay. So anyone po has food restriction?
Yeah, us. Don't seafood.
Seafood. Yeah, we have seafood, ma'am.
It's okay, but
It's okay, yeah, but we have also chicken and then fish and
Yeah.
fish po.
it's okay.
Wala po. Any condiments?
No.
No? Condiments. Condiments, wala naman po. Okay, so let's get the battle begin.
Mahalon na! Guys, hindi namin kinaya yung akyatan. So ako, si mama, yung boyfriend ko, bumaba na. Bili na lang kami ng buko kay kuya para makapag-refresh. So, hintay yung base. So, we're here in Barracuda Lake. Sabi ko kay kuya kanina, bakit hindi pa natin inikot kuya? Ba't pakahirap pa tayong umakyat baba? Yung pala, enclosed daw ito. Ang sabi ni kuya, around 10 to 15 meters deep ito. Pero the deepest siguro, beyond. Noong line na yon, noong floater na yon, kailan pong kita, may floaters doon, is around 25 deep na. So, sabi ni kuya, nung aming tour guide, kaya daw probably kaya daw naging Barracuda Lake ito, Lawa-Lawa, parang gano'n, Lawa-Lawa ang previous name, pero since nung may nag-dive daw dito, tapos may nakita na around 3 meters deep, 3 meters na laki ng Barracuda fish, kaya pinalitan siya ng Barracuda fish, yung name nung, Barracuda Lake, itong lugar na to.
So here our friend Charles wanted to swim without the vest, pero our kuya tour guide sabi ay hindi daw nag-allow yung mga tribe na nagbabantay dito na mag-swim without the vest. Pero eventually inallow din naman siya kasi doon lang siya sa side nag-swim. He's not allowed to swim way beyond.
Sweet-sweetan, mamaya mag-aaway ulit.
Lagay na kita dyan sa hagdan.
Guys, we're done in Barracuda Lake and now we're going sa Twin Lagoon.
Yes.
15 minutes from here daw. Hindi pa daw luto yung food namin. So, mag-visit pa kami ng isa pang location. Paalis pa lang kami dito sa Barracuda Lake.
Airdrop ako,
Guys, we're done with the Twin Lakes. At pagod lang ang inabot ko, hindi ako nag-enjoy. Nakaaway na ako, sobrang pagod. Sumakit pa yung ulo ko, uminom na ako ng sangre doon. Hindi ko na ulitin yun, guys. Pagod lang, sakit ng ulo, ayoko na. Pupunta na kami dun sa next destination para mag-lunch. Gusto ko na umuwi ng hotel. Guys, here's our food here for our island hopping. So there's pakwan. Yes. Wow. Wow.
Bilisin kami, ma'am. Sa imo, sa Baljo yung compounder.
Ma'am, dito po kayo sa side, ma'am.
So alam nyong bawal sa amin. Fries, pancit. Ano ang tawag dito?
Nahuli nilang isda. Yan.
Gulay, shrimp,
Tapos meron tayong
ano
na
chicken. And then this is the freshly catch fish. And then pakwan, water, and soft drinks. Mommy Bear. Kain na tayo, guys.
World War II. Can you see those people right there?
Yeah.
See those people right there?
The shipwreck was there.
They are the survivors po.
Oh my God.
Just kidding. That's where the ship is located po. Okay? So,
Later, we will be the survivors, right?
yeah, you can join them po. Okay, so the shipwreck's position po is like this. So, from the surface po, here at the front, it takes 3 to 5 meters. Then here at the back po, 20 to 25. So, only half of the shipwreck that we can only see po from the surface. Okay, so, why we call this skeleton shipwreck? Because for a long time it's been there. So the only parts that remain is the skeletal side of the shipwreck. That's why we call it skeleton shipwreck. Okay, so now, here if you're a good swimmer po, so you don't need to wear life jacket as long as if you are a good swimmer.
You can swim now, Charles. No need for life jacket. You can swim freely.
But reminders to us po again, so please don't go in the shallow part because there's so many sea urchins. So kung possible lang po dito lang tayo sa shipwreck. Thank you.
But you have to be careful, okay?
You listen to your mother.
Your mother.
May kasama bang takbo?
Tingin ka muna doon. Tapos tingin ka sa baba. Yan. O, takbo ka pa exit. May ang pangit ng takbo mo na wala ka sa screen. 1, 2, 3, go.
That may rehearsal to eh.
O, takbo.
Okay na yan. Sisa naman.
Ako dito titingin. Tapos doon yung
Tapos yung
takbo ko.
takbo mo.
Kakaway ka sa taas eh.
Sige.
Ano ba yan?
1, 2, 3. Paano nga dito ka titingin?
Naka-record lang ako, edit mo na.
Hindi.
Kaway ka muna sa taas eh.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, go. Mali!
Tingin muna ako doon.
Titingin. Tapos kakaway ka pataas.
Ganun.
Ulit.
Ganun.
Mali yung director.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Bakit ka tumingin sa baba?
Hindi, merong baba yun.
Diretso na yun.
Tapos,
Sit.
takbo ka dito.
Oo. O, game. Tapos, ready? Paano?
Hindi, dito ka. Hindi, dito ka.
Dito si ma'am kasi dito siya tumakbo eh. Sa camera.
Ay, oo, dito ka.
So yung labas.
Kasi yung ganun yung...
Dapat tinanggal mo yan eh.
Sige na, take it off. Tayo lang eh.
Ulitin mo yan, tanggalin mo yan.
Hindi naman kita yata yun.
Tanggalin mo yan.
Magtupis ka daw.
Ay, ayoko.
Ulit. Sige, dito. Dito. Yan sa bibilog yan. Oo, sige, okay lang. Dito takbo ha. Tuwid ha. Huwag ka nga ano. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Dito kami. Long ka, Clem.
Nakakapagod naman.
Practice muna ha. Practice muna.
Practice pa lang
Hindi yan, unang takbo nyo lang. Together, ito napaka-reklamado.
Ano yung gaganunin ko siya? Tapos gaganunin ko siya.
Ito, hatig na nyo yung linya na yun.
Siguraduhin nyo lang yung tip nung
Okay,
nasa
one.
likod natin. Iganda-gandaan nyo, ha?
Ah, dapat ako may tip ako
Naiinip
taga-video.
kami dito.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Practice lang to. Tagal mo, B.
Hindi kayo gitna dito nga ni.
Ay, kasama ba yung magyayakapan na sila?
Dito kayo sa gitna. Tignan nyo itong camera dito ah.
Gege.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Beautiful life.
Ganon.
Eh, hindi, buhati mo siya. Tapos taas mo paa mo. Sige, try.
Yung gaganon.
Hindi, buhat lang. Tapos taas mo paa mo. Ikot.
Bubuhatin ko siya.
Oo, tapos ikot kayo. Okay? Sige, 1, 2, 3.
Doon sa lumeta mo ako.
Yan!
Ganon.
Oh, sige.
Gege.
Ayusin mo buhat ha. Pagod. Hinga ka
Pagod
muna.
na ako.
Hinga ka muna. Ready? Ready? Get set. Teka lang, nasa niling ako.
Yan, ma'am.
Ready? Get set. Go. Ano ang tanong? Ano ang tanong?
Repato.
Ang tamis.
Kaya pala!
Okay, Charles, next. Charles, next.
Picture tayo, Miss!